and welcome back. So today we have something I have wanted to check out for a very long time because I have no idea if this is cool or crap. I don't even know. So I just was able to get my hands on one to review for you. And that's what we're going to do. So what this is a laser projection keyboard. Yup, it's one of those devices that supposedly projects a laser onto the surface that is you can use as a keyboard. I don't know. So we're going to unbox this here in front of you and see what it is, what's all about. So this is the device right here. It looks like it has a power button, some sensors, I guess, a projector. It looks to be rechargeable, so we're going to have to charge it up. And then it also comes with a little user manual, and it looks like a charging cable. Yes. Looks like it's a micro USB. So I'm going to charge it up. One thing I did read, I read that you can also use it plugged into a power source, powered. But we're not going to do that. We're going to charge it up, and then I'm going to get my tablet. We're going to pair it and do everything on screen so you can see how it works. And then we're going to try it out, and I'm going to let you know what this is all about, because it's one of those things that seems super high-tech, super futuristic, super cool. Does it really work? We're going to find out together. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to check all, what I think of it, functionality, how well you can see the screen, different features, the whole thing. So I'm going to charge this up, and we are going to proceed with our test. Okay, so we've got it charged, and we are going to try it out. Now, I have done nothing with this, so we're going to just power it up and see what happens. Oop, it's on. Okay, so there is a keyboard, and it is pretty visible, and it's pretty much broad daylight here. It's not super visible. So now it's waiting. So what we have to do is we have to pair it. So I'm going to go here, go turn on Bluetooth, and press and hold it. And then we're going to figure out what it is. Let's see. Pair a new device, laser projection keyboard, pair. So we're doing this together. Okay? Okay. Shortcuts helper. I don't know. I don't know what that means, productivity mode, but okay. I can't get out of here. Okay. Oh, maybe those buttons. Okay. So we've got a keyboard. It is pretty dim, I will say. Oh, it brightens, right. So it dims and brightens. Okay. So now there are several features to this, but let's just see. So there's a mouse mode. If I press, there's an angle button right here, and it should go into mouse mode. Okay. So now, oh, look at that. I've got a mouse on the screen. I don't know if you can see it. And I can click things like, let's try Chrome. Wow. Okay. So this is. I mean, I'll be honest. The mouse mode is actually tracking my finger and working. So this is pretty interesting. Okay. So several things you can do in mouse mode. With your finger, you move. Okay. A single tap is to tap. Okay. You move with two fingers, you can scroll. And if you double tap with two fingers, you right click, because this also would work in Windows. So now I'm going to hit the button to go back to keyboard mode, and we're going to try and search. So let's search for, I don't know. Let's see. So that exactly, this is amazing. I typed New York Knicks, and it's going. Enter. I'm being honest, this is crazy. Oh, wait a minute. Why didn't it search? Let's go back to mouse mode. I think I probably did something wrong. Let's see. Okay, let's go back. NEW. Let's see if backspace works. Yep. Oh, there you go. So now if I go back to mouse mode, I can scroll. Wow, it scrolls very fast. Wow. So I can scroll, which works. You can see, I'm using 2 fingers. You can see me doing it, and I'm scrolling. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Let's see. Let's go back up there. Let's see. Now we got to go back to keyboard mode. I mean, this works pretty darn good. I got to be honest. Now let's try something else. Let's get out of here. Let's go to notes. Let's just try a note here. So this screen, the keyboard dims when you don't do anything for 30 seconds. Why is it not doing the notes? It didn't load. I want it to do it so I can type. There it goes. New note. That was an issue with the tablet. So, okay. So, oops. Okay. So let's see. Let's do shift. So shift works. Virtual. Okay, so I ended up with a 3 instead of an E for a 1 there of the, because they're right above each other. And it does beep with each key you type. Let's try and do a shift and do a, let's do a number. Works. Let's try shift and do well, let's do this. So that should give us equals. And if we do shift, so the shift doesn't beep. When you hold shift, it doesn't beep. But it works. It is working. I mean, this is amazing. I'm amazed that this is working as well as it is. I can't even believe it. So now, several things you can do. If you hold function, you can adjust the sound levels, and then you can also adjust the brightness using the arrow keys here. I want to try and aim this down a little more so you can see better. There you go. So let's try that. So if I hold function, which is over here, and I do, which one is, let's see, left and right is the sound levels. So you can adjust how loud the beeps are. And up and down is brightness. Let's see. That's bright. You can see it getting dimmer. Okay, and then it'll, if you don't do anything for 30 seconds, it dims, and then when you type, it brightens again. So let's do tab. Tab works. This is actually amazing. That sign. Let's see. Actually, amazing. I mean, it's absolutely typing. If you look at the, let me zoom you in. I mean, it typed exactly what I typed. I mean, this is amazing. It really does work. I can't even believe how good it works. I mean, listen, it's not super bright. Now I'm in here. I got a skylight in this room. I got a window in this room. One of the warnings it says in the instructions is that sunlight can interfere. It's not interfering. I'm sure if it were darker, this would look better, or if I wasn't under a skylight directly over my head. I am shocked how well this is working. It is pretty cool. Let's type something else. And I'm also doing this around my phone. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, where's the dot? That's interesting. There you go. So it's in an odd, the dot, the punctuations are in a different spot. Let's see. And then look what I typed. I'm going to zoom you in. Check out youtube.com. Oh, I did .com twice. At that guy from Jersey. That was me, though. That was because I was not looking at the, I was looking at the, what I was typing. There you go. So now you can see the keyboard. And this is as bright as it goes before it's going to dim. This mark here is a line in the table. That's nothing with the keyboard. It is, I got to say, it's pretty amazing. And it will, according to the instructions, work with a Mac PC as well as a Windows, or a Mac computer as well as a Windows computer. So I have to say, now you see how it dimmed? And then if I move over here and hit something, it'll brighten again. I'm going to show you that again. So I'm going to let you see that. Let me zoom down here. So it's full brightness, and then I believe it takes 30 seconds while I'm talking. So yeah, this will work with multiple types of computers. Android, this is an Android device I'm using it on, Android tablet. It will work with iPads and Apple as well, according to the instructions. The battery in it lasts 120 minutes, so 2 hours of battery usage. Now you see it's getting dimmer. Got much dimmer. It actually looks brighter through the phone camera than it is in reality. It's actually very, very dim. There you go. And then now it's pulsing. And if I hit a key, it brightens right back up again. It is amazing. I cannot believe how well it works. I am totally shocked, happy with the product. I can't even believe how well it works. Amazing. And also, like I said, in the mouse mode, I'm going to actually show you the mouse mode. So if you hit this button here, this little angular arrow. So now if I do this, I'm moving a mouse. That clicks, 2 fingers scrolls, and 2 clicks right clicks. Now, obviously, there's no right click functionality in an Android tablet. And then I can't type right now, but if I hit the arrow to go back to the keyboard, now I can type, a couple enters, and then, oops. And what I'm noticing is if I hover and get real close, it clicks. See, look. So you can't block. See how these fingers block this finger? It has to see what you're doing. But for me, that's pretty much how I type anyway. So it's like, I mean, it's definitely working. Is it perfect? No, but it's pretty darn good. Let me try it again. Let's see. Well, I got an enter out of that. Let's try this again. I mean, yeah, that typed, hello, my name is John, right on the screen perfectly. I mean, it's really cool. I gotta say, I am very impressed. It works far, far better than I thought it was gonna work. Is it perfect? No. Can you make typos? Sure. Can you block your fingers? Yeah. But as far as how cool this is, I mean, this thing works. Really, really cool. So I've got to say, this thing is pretty cool. What a cool little device. I am definitely going to put a link in the description to where you can get this on Amazon if you wanted to try one yourself. It's really cool. I got to say, it's small. You can carry it around. It's really neat to carry with you if you wanted a keyboard like, a portable keyboard. I don't know. It's kind of cool. Honestly, just the futuristic nature and the cool factor and it's very light. It must have a very small battery. Like I said, the battery is only rated for 120 minutes. I believe you can run it powered to a USB permanently, although I don't know why you'd want to. I mean, I don't think you need more than 2 hours of typing, but this is really cool. Really, really cool, futuristic, definitely neat. I give it 2 thumbs up. When would you have an actual use for it? Honestly, for tablets, because if you have a laptop, obviously you have a keyboard. But if you have a tablet and you don't want to use the screen, you can put your tablet on a little stand like I did, and this thing is pretty cool. You can write and do different things with your tablet. Your phone, you can use it on your cell phone if you need. I mean, if you're doing a lot of typing or whatever on your phone or traveling using the tablet, it definitely has a use. Are you going to use it a lot? Not really. The mouse functionality is cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm very pleasantly surprised with how cool this is and how well it works. So thanks again, everyone, for watching. If you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button. If you have, thanks for subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this. You think it's pretty cool? I mean, it really does work. I am so shocked that it actually works as well as it does. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I answer all comments, and we'll see you next time.